Okay, ito guys, fix road and sidewalk, then draw the remaining man-made feature. Fix road and sidewalk, pero may mga complete siya ng mga category. Kailangan natin tong guys, kailangan natin tong i-capture din to, mga miss. So saan kaya naka-error sa nito guys? Road, wala naman guys, no. Sidewalk, wala naman, no. Sidewalk. So ito guys, ano ba to ha? Long driveway ata to guys, long driveway. Sige, long driveway natin to. Long driveway with parking. So ganito lang, simplified lang natin to guys, simplified. Yan, simplified. Long driveway muna, long driveway, long driveway, long driveway. Yan, simplified lang natin to. Yan, oops. So para ma-move siya while leveling, hold yun lang control. Yan. Okay, G, may curve kasi guys, may curve. G. Ito, sige, ito parking pa yan. Pipix natin yun mamaya. Fixing na. Ano to? Simplified lang natin guys. Ganyan lang. Okay, so may sidewalk naman. So okay na to. I-filling tool natin, letter E. E, space. Click. Yan, long driveway na siya. So ipalampas natin dyan, oh. Ano natin tong i-hide natin to, sidewalk. May rules kasi minsan guys na yung long driveway or driveway, kailangan siyang naka-connect sa road. So ganyan lang guys. Merge to pwede rin to ano lang, filling tool lang, filling tool para madali. Yan, merge natin. Iwas sa kickback. Yan. So itong mga cut natin to parang ground part parang ground part. Yes. Okay, T space to, cut natin to. Tawag nito is outside parking, outside ng road, outside parking. Yan, ito rin outside parking. This one outside parking. To ground to guys, outside parking, ground to guys. So i-cut natin yan, guys. T, ground part. So parking din to, outside parking because outside siya ng road. Yan. Pero inside siya sa compound. Pero tawag niyan outside parking. Next to guys. So diretso sana, i-diretso ko sana guys, pero parang mas madali if igaganito lang muna natin guys. Ano tawag nito? Parking na may driveway. Siyempre may driveway talaga yan. Filling tool, space, click. So ito guys, ito yung parking. Parking. Then ito yung driveway. Siyempre, paano makapasok ang mga sasakyan na mag-park if walang driveway? Connect natin to sa road. Hide natin tong sidewalk guys. Hide muna natin guys. So filling tool space, yan, merge, iwas kickback, yan, ganyan lang siya. Remaining man-made po. So man-made pala, man-made. So ito mga man-made to. Itong grass hindi to man-made, so di na siya sali. Okay, ito guys, parang ano to, long driveway to guys, long driveway, kasi wala namang sa gitna yung double parking ba, wala naman. So categorize pa rin to as long driveway. So draw as a whole muna tayo guys ha. Draw as a whole. Yan. Draw as a whole lang muna. Filling tool lang gagamitin natin nito guys. Yan. Okay lang yan lumampas. Filling tool lang tayo mamaya. Okay. Ito ground part to guys, hindi natin nilisali guys. Yan, E space. So long driveway siya, so may mga parking. Repair lang natin konti ito guys ha. Yan. So ito guys, parking. So kakat lang natin yan, T space, outside parking to guys. Sana ba? Outside parking. So ito guys, may ground. So cut natin tong ground. Dyan lang. Then gaganyan natin guys para iwas kickback. Yes, next. Yan. T space. Ground to. So delete. To parking to. Outside parking. Outside parking kasi wala siya nasa outside siya ng road. Hindi naman to road guys, nasa loob ng compound guys eh. Okay, so parking din to. This space, outside parking. Okay, outside parking. Okay na yan. So dito na naman tayo guys. Okay, sa mga driveway. So hide natin tong sidewalk. Hide. S gagamitin natin guys, S space, driveway to S, may trailer space. Yan, maghiwalay talaga yung driveway guys sa kapitbahay. Hanggang dyan may nakapasok pa na kotse. So hanggang dyan, space, ito rin space, ito space, ito pavement man to guys ba. May ano pa oh. May kotse pa. To S lang, S space pero parang ganyan yan, parang ganyan, space merge to S to kotse space to guys. Saan yung driveway nito guys? Dyan lang. May pavement ba nito? Pavement. May pavement nga. Patay tayo nito. Yan, driveway. Yan, driveway. Y. Boundary clipper. To, driveway din to. Pagsabayan lang natin yung Y na yan. Pagsabayan niya mamaya. To, driveway din to. To, nasa likod to do. Nasa likod. To, driveway din to guys. Boundary clipper Y. Yan, wala na. To, driveway yan. Driveway din yan. To, driveway pa to. Yes. Show pavement. Sidewalk. Huwag na siguro natin tong i-capture yung mga pavement guys. Okay na to guys. Submit. 12 minutes. Yes. Thank you.